The Jura WE8 is a super automatic coffee center that elegantly bridges the gap between professional grade performance and intuitive, everyday usability. Its substantial presence is immediately apparent, with a robust chassis and a design language that balances modernity and durability. The dark chrome accents and clean lines make it a centerpiece in any office kitchen, executive suite, or upscale shared space. Links to the best deals for the Jura WE8 coffee machine are in the description box below. What truly distinguishes the WE8 is its capacity and adaptability. The 101-ounce water tank is engineered for high-traffic environments, drastically reducing the need for frequent refilling even in busy offices or communal workspaces. The 17.6-ounce bean hopper, sealed to preserve freshness, means you can use premium beans without worrying about them going stale. The grounds container, with its 25-portion capacity, further supports uninterrupted use, allowing the machine to breeze through a busy morning rush without constant attention. As any Jura WE8 review will tell you, the heart of the WE8's coffee-making prowess is the Aroma G3 grinder, which is both fast and gentle. The grinder's precision-cut burrs ensure a uniform grind size for every beverage, and its rapid operation means beans are ground fresh for each cup without generating excess heat, a detail that preserves the volatile, aromatic oils that give coffee its depth and complexity. This is evident in the cup. Espressos are vibrant and expressive with a thick hazelnut crema, while longer coffees retain their nuanced, balanced character. Jura's pulse extraction process, abbreviated to PEP, is a signature feature that sets the WE8 apart from conventional machines. By pulsing water through the grounds in short, carefully timed bursts, the PEP system optimizes the extraction of flavor and aroma, particularly for short drinks like espresso and ristretto. The result is a cup with pronounced clarity. Floral, fruity, or chocolatey notes are amplified, and the finish is clean and lingering. Milk-based beverages are where the WE8 truly shines. The fine foam frother produces a microfoam that is dense and velvety, ideal for lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos. The frother's design ensures that milk is frothed at just the right temperature and texture, creating a creamy mouthfeel and a visually appealing layered effect in the glass. The machine's one-touch functionality means you can go from bean to finished drink with a single tap, even for complex beverages. The extra shot function is especially useful, allowing you to add a second espresso shot to milk drinks, intensifying both flavor and caffeine content without any manual intervention. The WE8's user interface is a 2.8-inch color TFT display, which is both intuitive and inviting. Large, clear icons guide you through drink selection, customization, and maintenance routines. The programmability is extensive. You can adjust coffee strength, water volume, temperature, and milk foam amount for each beverage, then save those preferences for future use. This level of customization ensures that everyone in the office can enjoy their ideal cup while the machine remembers their settings. Water quality is managed by the Intelligent Water System, which uses RFID technology to automatically detect and monitor the CLEARYL Pro Smart Plus filter. This ensures that every cup is brewed with pure, chlorine-free water, enhancing flavor and protecting the machine's internals from scale. The system also prompts for filter changes and maintenance, making upkeep straightforward and minimizing downtime. For those who appreciate smart technology, the WE8 is compatible with Jura's Smart Connect Bluetooth dongle, enabling integration with the Joe app. This app allows users to control the machine, customize drinks, and schedule maintenance remotely, a feature that's particularly handy in shared or dynamic environments. The WE8's removable hot water spout further extends its versatility, accommodating tea drinkers and those who enjoy Americanos or hot chocolate. The spout is easy to clean and swap, ensuring hygiene and convenience. In everyday use, the Jura WE8 is a revelation. It transforms the office coffee break into a moment of genuine pleasure, offering barista-level drinks with minimal effort. Its combination of high capacity, advanced brewing technology, and user-friendly design means that it not only keeps pace with a demanding environment, but elevates it, turning routine coffee breaks into memorable experiences. Thanks for joining me on this review journey. If the Jura WE8 caught your eye, I've listed the top deals and more information in the description box for you to explore.